Student, in previous videos we have studied about the major forms of the precipitation. In that we have studied about the snowfall and hailstones. In this video we are going to learn about the rainfall. What is meant by rainfall and what are the types of rainfall that we will study in this video. Now see student, there are three types of the rainfall, which are the first one convectional rainfall, second one orographic rainfall, third one cyclonic rainfall. Student, first, what is meant by rainfall? Students, we get water from the rainfall. Student, we all know that in summer season that surface water started to heating because of the sun, because of the hot temperature, and that rises up, okay, in the form of the steam. When that water vapor means evaporation process occurring there, that water vapor when go at the higher altitude, they come in contact of cold air and there is a condensation process occur, means water vapor turns into the water droplets. Student, when the many dust particles accumulate around the water particles droplets, that time its size became bigger and they come on the ground as because of the gravity, and we can call it rain. Understood student? Yeah, rainfall. Okay student, now see, we have to see the types of the rainfalls. First one is a convectional rainfall. Students, such as the rainfall found in equatorial area. Equatorial area means that area is near the equator. Okay student, now see what happened there. Because of the hot temperature, surface heated, and because of the water as well as air also heated, okay, and that because of the heating, that airs became lighter and they go upside in the sky, okay. When that comes in a contact of the cold airs and there is a condensation process occurring, and there is a fine conventional types of the rainfall. Okay student, if you see the conventional types of the rainfall only find in the equatorial areas, and every afternoon such as the rainfall is found there. Okay, now see student, for examples, the Congo basin of the Africa and the Amazon basin in the South America experience the such as the type of the rainfall. Okay, now see student, such a rainfall occurs in a very limited area in the world. Which place that is find only near the equatorial areas. Now see here student, if figure we can see, because of the hot temperature, that air as well as water started heating, and because when the water heat, there is a evaporation process occur, means water turns into the steam in vapor, and because of that become lighter, that is a rises up, okay. When they reach at the higher altitude, that air also get heated because of the hot temperature, that also go up in the sky, because okay, when they reach at the higher altitude, that air get cold, and because of that cold air, that steam turn into the water droplets. It is called the condensation, and such types of the rainfall is found in this area. It is called the conventional rainfall. Where that find? Congo basin in Africa and Amazon basin. We have studied about that. I think next year we have that whole countries study of Brazil as well as our India. We all know that in Brazil, near the Amazon river is situated. Amazon river is situated, and there is find out such as the type of the rainfall. Understood student that point? Yes. Now student, second is the orographic rainfall. Okay, now see student about the orographic rainfall. Now see student, that is a sea. Okay, sea or lake. Okay, student, that winds that come from the sea. Okay, winds come from the sea with the moisture laden. Okay, with the moisture. Okay, moisture laden means with full of the moisture. Okay, student, now see student, suppose that is the wind. Okay, that is the coming with the moisture. Okay, now see student, here is a curve one abstraction, means here is one mountain come in their way. Okay, way, but the clouds that want that winds, yeah, winds that winds want to cross the mountain. That's why they go upward side alongside the mountain. Okay, they want to cross the mountain. That's why they go higher altitude. When student that winds with clouds, they reach at the higher altitude, cold air come its contact and their condensation process occur, and because of that student, windward side means wind side mountain parts get more rainfall. When the students that clouds and winds cross the mountain, okay, cross the mountain, that time, okay, cross the mountain, very amount of vapor reduces, means less quantity of water vapor reduces in that clouds, and that's why student, in leeward side, we can call it the leeward side, means the opposite sides of the windward, here get the less quantity of the rainfall. It is called the rain shadow area. Understood? Again I tell student that winds that coming from the lakes or sea with the moisture laden, means in a full of the large quantity of the moisture, that winds, that clouds come, that one means mountain coming the way of their barrier. Okay, that act as a barrier to this clouds, but the clouds want to cross the mountain, and that's why they go higher altitude, go upside, and they come in the contact of the cold air, and their condensation process occur, means student, water vapor turn into the water droplets. And student, if we can find here the large quantity of the rainfall is falling here, and it is called the windward side. When student cross that mountain, okay, that time very less quantity of the vapor remaining in that clouds. That's why very low quantity of the rainfall we can find in the leeward side. It is called the leeward side, and if that's why this area is known as the rain shadow area. Okay, student, understood about the orographic rainfall. Now see student, there are some questions answer. Okay, now see. Okay, now see student, the effect of the monsoon rainfall is important when we think of the Indian subcontinent. Means student, we all know that we in our India we get such type of the rainfall, monsoon type of the rainfall. Okay, that is one example. We have studied this in the previous standard. The rainfall occurring in the India because of the wind is the orographic type of rainfall. Means student, is our question is clear that which type of the rainfall is found in India, orographic type of the rainfall. Okay, we have monsoon rainfall. Okay, now see student, can you take, here is the one question is that, can you take, observe the horizontal profile of the Maharashtra in figure 5.5 and answer the following questions. Now see student, if you see the figure at the lecture time, I will explain that detailedly. Okay. Now see student, the first, what type of the rainfall occurs in Maharashtra? Which type of monsoon type of rainfall find in Maharashtra? Now see student, next second question is that, where will the rain shadow area lie in Maharashtra? Where student, here answer is that with the observe that in pictures in figure 5.12 we can see that large quantity of rainfall we can see in Sahyadri hills. Okay, near the Sahyadri hill. When that student that clouds cross the Sahyadri hills, that time decrease in altitude, increase in moisture holding capacity. Means student there when that cross the that mountain, there is the less quantity of the vapor is remaining, and that's why very less quantity of the rainfall we can find here. Here is given that student Maharashtra plateau, less moisture holding capacity. Again student, now see student, after the crossing the Maharashtra plateau, again that what we say, less temperature, low moisture holding capacity is find that lower lands in the east. Now again that moisture holding, less moisture holding clouds is find there, and that's why in Maharashtra means minimum type of rainfall is fine. Okay, understood student? Okay, then again that is the their moisture holding capacity is increased, and then if we can see the large quantity of the rainfall again is found here. Okay, now see student, in this way, in this video we